Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that.
Hi guys, it's me, Issaplease, and if you like things about fashion, makeup, lifestyle, food, travel, and whatever, make sure to subscribe to this channel. So if you guys noticed in that little introduction, I was sort of sponsored by KILY.PH, or KILY as I like to call it, and they didn't really ask for a video, so this isn't really sponsored. But anyways, I was shipped a couple or 5 items to be exact from KILY.PH, and I thought that I would do a try on haul for you guys because, you know, I kind of like the items. Not everything is like my favorite, but I wanted to show them to you anyway. The first thing that I got from KILY.PH is this purple pajama set, and I wanted to show this to you guys because I can't wait to put it back on. I have been wearing this for like 3 days straight and I'm so obsessed with it. It's super comfy, it's big on me, which is how pajamas are supposed to be anyways, and I just really like this piece of clothing. I actually ordered 2 like bikinis, or 1 bikini set and 1 one-piece set, and I wore the one-piece set over here, and I have better footage of that. And I was going to wear this bikini the same way yesterday, but I kind of got embarrassed to shoot outside. And this is a racer back-ish striped top with like an orange, I don't really know what color this is. I'm going to say it's orange or pink, peach, whatever, bottom. So they're really cute and they look like the picture. So the next thing that I got is this sort of like matching set. So most of the items I got are 2 pieces. I don't really know why, I just realized it now, but it comes with like, it's like a jumper dress. The description in the website is it's a jumper dress. So it comes like with a shirt, and it comes with like this really oversized jumper dress, and this honestly is a little bit too big for me, so I'm gonna try it on for you guys, but I don't really think that I'm gonna keep it in my closet. I do like this, the jumper dress. I can wear it with other things, but this top, it's a little bit too boxy and lacy for my liking, but you know what, it came out a lot better than I had expected. I thought that this was gonna be one of those horror videos, like you order something online, it's just not what you expected, but this actually, it's really not too far from what I expected. So for the last item of clothing that I got this white dress because Paula really likes it when I wear white, and I like wearing white too because my hair is like a whole lot of colors right now, and white is just really like the safest color for me to go to. This is like a slip-on dress, it goes under, which I really appreciate that they threw in or included in the dress because this dress is sheer. It's a very pretty material. I really appreciate that it does stick to the pictures and it's not like something out there. It's not completely out there, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is sheer with like some patterns on it, and it's kind of boxy, honestly. I don't really know what I was expecting, but for a material like this, it is a given that the cloth is going to be kind of like this, but I kind of picked it out and didn't really know what to expect, but it's not really my style, but I appreciate it anyways. Maybe like I like it in a few months from now, but other than that, it's like the quality is really good, and I am really, really surprised, and I really do appreciate that they threw in the underdress or the slip dress or whatever you call it, because if they didn't, I really wouldn't wear this dress at all. I would be pretty pissed and disappointed, but they did, and the world is a better place. So these are the items that I got from KILY.PH. I will put their address in the link below. I do get a bunch of like sponsorships from online shops, so if you guys want to see me try them on and give you my honest opinion, I will do that. So just let me know what you guys want to see in the video or in the comments below, and I will make sure to do it for you. Just a little disclaimer for you guys, this video wasn't sponsored. Yes, the items were sponsored to me, but they had no requirements, so I just thought that I would throw in this video and see if you guys like to try it on haul, you know, just to get a feel of what you guys want to see on my channel. But other than that, everything is my real and honest opinion. If I had to rate the KILY.PH website out of 10, I would probably give it like a 7 or yeah, 7 or an 8. It's somewhere there, just because like the items are pretty good. It isn't like too far off from the pictures that are seen, so I am pretty impressed by that. Also on the website, it doesn't really give you like all the descriptions that you want when it comes to like the clothes and the items. Some of the photos are kind of blurry and whatnot, so I'm checking the website again and it doesn't really give you like a description of the clothes, the material used, the fabric, the length. So I do appreciate websites that do have those descriptions in them, but you know, this one didn't really have it, but it's still fine. I still like the clothes that I got. I was pretty impressed by it. So yeah, please do make sure to like this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And please do subscribe to my channel. I do try to upload at least once or twice a week. I hope you guys also follow me on my social media accounts if you want to see me actually put on these clothes and wear them in my OOTDs and whatnot. And you can also check out my blog. It's Issaplease.com, which is basically why I have all these sponsorships if you guys were ever wondering. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching this one, and bye!